Bernaldi, and I will present my assignment 7. The title is Reflection for Cell O2 and Cell O4. Okay, this is the table of content in my 4 point. The first one is the weakness of each word in every assignment. The second one is the weakness of relationship among word and or assignment, and the last one is make improvement plan for each word or assignment. Okay, before that we must know this is the assignment week 3. Week 3 is about understand the problem. We can do the survey at least 3 people and understand how they adapt the technology to carry out their activities to achieve certain goals. After that, we analyze and define the problem. The assignment week 4 is understand the people. And after uh, we should perform research to 3 people concerning on different problem. We have to explore and understand how they adapt with technology to their daily activities. After that, we should analyze the exploration and define user persona. The assignment week 5 is design solution for the before assignment. For the week 5, this is the part 1, identify requirement. We should explore solutive idea based on problem statement and vision statement and anything else. And for the assignment week 6, we make a interaction framework and definement, and we make a UI mockup based on UI design principle and make the business process in our project. Okay, the weakness of each word in every assignment. This is the weakness for assignment number 3. Sometimes the answer by the respondent unclear and not relate to the answer that we want. And for the justifying, this weakness is, I feel, because it's hard to adjust to the result obtained from the respondent and understand the intent and desire of the respondent. And the perceived weakness is when it comes to determine various aspects like fact, problem, root, and anything else. And for the assignment number 4, the weakness is I feel like for the making 20 question or more by considering several information criteria to serve as user persona which has been given, and in determining the user persona get unsatisfactory result. And the weakness for assignment 5 is I feel in identifying the problem statement are where we have to adjust the answer from the respondent and the topic of the project we are aiming. So it must be review from the several previous point. And the last is for assignment 6, the weakness is it's necessary to change the business process and some more requirements so that the project can find the right goals and can be useful. Further research is needed to make it much more efficient. Okay, the weakness of relationship among works assignment. This is the point 2 in our PowerPoint. For assignment 3 and 4, there is no description about the skill of the respondent that we are aiming for in the field of technology, because maybe the question that lead information from user skills in this regard and allow misunderstanding of every question and the result we receive from the respondent. And for the assignment number 5 and 6, in assignment 4 and in assignment 5 and 6, we are asked to determine solution design from the result on the previous assignment, which is the assignment 3 and assignment 4. In this assignment 5, we were confused to identifying and the expectation and the reality of the respondent answer. So it can make the problem in here. This will affect to assignment 6, of course, where we have to make business process that might not be in accordance with the main objective. So this can make the problem in UI mockup too. Okay, the weakness and relationship about among all assignment, which is the assignment 3, 4, 5, and 6. For the assignment for the relationship between the 4 tasks that have been done, I think the source of the problem is in assignment 3, where we have to understand the problem. So if an error occurs, it will affect the next assignment. For assignment 4, according to me, the personal results are not satisfactory because the questions are not specific and not too more critical. So in assignment 5, it was difficult to determine the design solution. And of course, it will also affect to details in assignment 6, like business process or something. Okay, number 3 is make improvement. For the assignment 3, I will make improvement like take intelligence-based solution. This is my intelligence-based solution. For the assignment 4, I changed the user persona, like my fix here to delete the name of the user, and I changed to anonymous because for ethical reasons. And I take the user goals in the user persona for every respondent. And the last one is I changed the technological skill in user persona that relate to my idea. And the improve in assignment 5, I will make the change to the problem statement section, which will lead to the concept of interaction design so that it can be more accurate. And I will do the more brainstorm to serve a basic element. And the last thing I will do is improve the exciting requirements so they can be more better. And for the last assignment, I will clarify the requirements and I provide so that they are easy to understand and lead to my goals and improve some information so that the purpose of this project is clearly and accurate and can understand to many respondents. Okay, that's all for my presentation and my project in this assignment. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.